Kũragwo kwa mawakiri erĩ mũndũrũme na mũtumia na njĩra ĩrĩ na kĩriga gũtumũrĩte wagagu gatagatĩ ga kĩama kĩa mawakiri arĩa rĩu maugĩte mĩtũrĩre yao ĩrĩ hatĩka-inĩ.
The Law Society of Kenya has received with profound grief and outrage confirmation of the death of our colleague, Advocate Esther Wairimu Keige, after weeks of anxious searching and hope that she would be found alive. This devastating loss comes barely 48 hours after the brutal murder of Advocate Edward Muthee Kariuki. The death of two advocates within the span of a single week in mysterious circumstances is not an isolated coincidence. These deaths amount to an attack on the legal profession, on the administration of justice, and on the rule of law. The legal profession cannot discharge its constitutional mandate where advocates are subjected to violence, intimidation, or murder with impunity. An attack on an advocate is an attack on the administration of justice itself. The Law Society of Kenya hereby declares Friday, 10th July 2026, a day of national solidarity for the legal profession and announces a nationwide Advocates March for Justice. Members of the